Open the Royalq app. Click Cycle to switch to single or recurring strategy. Click Sell to manually sell the currency. Click Buy to buy currency manually. In the full position mode, you can choose to sell partly, and in the split position mode, you need to sell all of them. Click Start Stop Margin Call. The currency strategy will switch to Start Stop Replenishment. Click Strategy Mode to switch to Full Warehouse Mode, Split Warehouse Mode, Mode Real-Time Settlement. Click First Preset Price. Enter the price and start the currency strategy. To set the price to buy the first position to buy. Royalq.